Hey, what's up? Today we have a review of another smartwatch called LOKMAT MK28. Because of the watch hands and removable battery, it looks like a regular sports watch. However, LOKMAT MK28 has smart functions such as call and message reminder, pedometer, remote camera control, connection with smartphone and many others. The price of this watch is only $20. I will leave the link where to buy it in description. So let's start our review with unboxing, but first hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, Tech Brothers. The box with LOKMAT MK28 looks like this. There is Sport Smartwatch inscription and image of running man on the front side. Also, you can read specifications on site, such as model, product, battery, watch size and weight. By the way, the sticker says that this is DX16 model, but you can find the watch on TomTop online store by the model MK28. Comparing the specifications and pictures, it is the same watch. However, I don't know why the watch has different models on the box and online store. Anyway, you should know that this is the same watch. Opening the box, you will find user manual with a detailed tutorial how to use the watch and even pictures. It will be useful, because LOKMAT MK28 is a very unusual smartwatch. As you can see, there is no charger in the package, because the watch is powered by CR2830 battery. We will talk about battery a little later. Now let's look at design of LOKMAT MK28 smartwatch. As you can see, this is a big watch. The dial diameter is 5.5 cm, while the thickness is 2 cm. Also, I should say about watch band length, it is 26 cm. Here is how LOKMAT MK28 smartwatch looks like on my wrist. In my opinion, the watch is quite bulky, but many people like this kind of design. What about you? Do you like this design of watches? Write in comments below. The weight of the watch is 86 grams. The watch case is made from alloy, while the band is TPU. On the front side you can see sport watch and water resistance. Also, there are 4 buttons on sides and a ring to change the watch hands. The battery is located under the back metal cover. The manufacturer says that LOKMAT MK28 has water resistance, but it is not recommended for swimming. Also, you shouldn't press buttons in the water. That's all. If you like watches with sport bulky design, then you will definitely like LOKMAT MK28. The watch is not heavy at all, and it is really comfortable to wear on the hand. I don't know what to say about specifications, because there is no information about processor, memory, etc. However, this is not very important for budget watch. From other side, we will talk about display and battery. LOKMAT MK28 comes with 1.14-inch round screen, but it is not touch. You can use only buttons on sides to control the watch. The smartwatch is compatible with Android and iOS devices. It is connected to smartphones via Bluetooth 4.0. As I already said, the watch is powered by a small CR2430 battery. It provides 12 months of battery life in energy-saving mode, or about 8 months of active use. This is really long battery life for a modern smartwatch, but CR2430 battery is very unusual for 2019. Do you agree? Finally, let's talk about main functions of LOKMAT MK28 smartwatch. First, the watch has hands. You can change them using the circle on the right side. Also, there are 2 buttons on the left and right sides. If you want to turn on or off the watch, you need to press and hold 2 buttons, bottom left and top right. The top left button is the light. Press it once to turn on the screen backlight. Also, you can press it and hold for some seconds to turn on or off Bluetooth. As you understand, mode button changes main functions. You can see them at the bottom of the screen: date, pedometer, calories, distance, alarm clock, stopwatch, etc. By the way, I forgot to say that there are 3 circles in the center that show digital time, seconds and date. You can change them by pressing the bottom right button. The top right button is used for remote camera control. When you press it, the icon with camera appears on the screen. Now I want to show you how notifications come to the watch. First, you need to connect the watch to smartphone. When somebody calls on your phone, then the icon lights up on the screen and the watch makes this sound. When you receive a new SMS, then the next icon lights up, but the sound is the same. As you can see, screen doesn't show notification or phone number who is calling you. Before we start talking about application, please note that you don't have to connect the watch to smartphone directly through Bluetooth settings menu. You can use only companion app. The application on smartphone is called Sports Plus. You can find it on Google Play Store or App Store. Also, you can scan QR code and get the link to download the app. The application looks like this, and it is quite simple. First, you need to connect the watch. You can click here to set up personal data such as name, height and weight. The settings menu allows choosing wallpaper for the app, as well as set goal steps and distance unit, kilometers and miles. There is also a notification menu where you can choose apps that can send notifications on your watch. The main screen shows the steps for the day, distance and burned calories. Below other graphs by day, week, month. That's all. So LOKMAT MK28 is not a regular smartwatch for 2019. First, it is powered by CR2430 battery, which provides 12 months of battery life. Also, it has watch hands as well as digital time and date. There are many functions such as pedometer, distance and calories, call and SMS reminder, alarm clock and even remote camera control, but the screen is not touch and you can use only buttons on sides. Also, the icons on the screen are very small, so these functions are not very convenient to use. However, if you like sport design of this watch and you are looking for budget wearable device with basic smart functions, then LOKMAT MK28 will be a good option. The price of the watch is only $20. I will leave the link where to buy it in description. Thanks for watching, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel Tech Brothers. See you next time.